Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Capcut editing. Specifically, how to add some awesome audio to your videos. Whether it's background music, sound effects or even your own narration, Capcut makes it super easy to elevate your edits with sound. Now, the right audio can truly transform your videos. It can set the mood, create excitement or even add humor. In this video, we'll show you how to incorporate different types of audio into your projects. So now there are mainly two ways of adding audio to your Capcut videos. So the first one is by using the audio library. So at first, open the Capcut app and open your project or create a new project by adding some photos or videos. Now look for the audio button at the bottom of the screen. It might look like a musical note. Simply tap on it. Now, you'll see options for sounds, brand music, copyright check, sound effects, and audio extraction. Select the sound option. And if you know, Capcut offers a vast audio library with various categories. You'll find music tracks, sound effects, and even popular TikTok sounds. From here, browse through the library and find the audio that complements your videos, themes, and style. You can also search for specific sounds using keywords. And once you found the audio, tap on it to add it to your video timeline. You can then trim the audio to match the length of your video clip. Now, the second way to add the audio is by importing your own audio. And to do this, just like before, tap on the audio button at the bottom of the screen. Choose the sounds again and click on the folder icon here. After this, click on the device option. Now, you can browse through the audio in your device. And you can also check the audio by clicking on the audio track. Now, to use the audio file, click on the plus icon beside the audio. Once imported, you can trim and adjust the volume of your audio file to fit to your video seamlessly. And lastly, the bonus step, adding voiceovers. Capcut allows you to record your own voiceovers directly within the app. Here's how. Just like before, tap on the audio button and select the record option represented by a microphone icon. Now, tap and hold the microphone icon to start recording your voiceovers. This is done by voiceover recording in Capcut. And once finished, you can then edit and trim your voiceovers for a polished feel. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can add amazing audio to your Capcut videos and take your editing skills to the next level. So go forth, unleash your creativity and drop those audio edits. If you have any questions or want to see more Capcut tutorials, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks.